Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today before I go on with the project today, I wanted to share the front cover of the new annual catalog coming out August 4th. This is earlier than we normally put out our holiday catalog, but don't we all need some holiday cheer? I'm going to be sharing some holiday projects. They're not going to be each week. I'm going to just share some Christmas in July to bring some cheer to everybody. And so I just wanted to share this because the products that I'm using in this video are from this catalog. And if you don't have a demonstrator and you would like a catalog, you can contact me and I'd be happy to send you one. All right, everyone, so let's get started with the project. It's super cute. And it has all kinds of holiday in there. If you didn't see my holiday haul or my haul from that catalog, you need to check it out and I will link it in the video. So here is the project that I'm sharing. Isn't it super cute? I love this one. It's really cute. I love the stamp set, and that's what really makes this box so adorable. And I'm also using some new dies, which are these right here. And you know how I love to use my dies for other things other than just cards or for matting. I really like to get full use out of my dies. So that's what I did with this little treat box. You can put any kind of treat in here. M&Ms, Hershey Kisses, Hershey Nuggets. There's quite a few things that you could put in here, but isn't it cute? It says a cup of thanks. And it would be a super cute little thank you. So what I'm using for this is the press-on stamp set. So it's super cute. I love these little cups. I think it's super adorable. All the little writing on it is really cute. I'm using this one. I'm using the little coffee beans and the heart for this project. All right, it is not a bundle with these dies because this actually goes with another bundle, and it is the Celebration Tidings. So these are the dies, and look at these dies. Oh my goodness, I could see so much use out of this. We are going to use the second largest for this project, but super cute. This is the stamp set that goes with that one. So isn't it adorable? And this is a great one if you want all the holidays. It's got Thanksgiving, you can use it for Christmas, Halloween. And this one just says always grateful. This says just for you. So it could be for just a general box or a card. It's just adorable. So this bundles with those dies. All right, so let's get started. First thing that we need to do is cut out 2 of these. We're going to fussy cut the cup because there is not a die for the cup, but it's super simple fussy cutting. All right, so we are going to grab the Big Shot. We're going to cut 2 out. I'm going to do it this time in crumb cake because I thought maybe the little coffee beans would show up a little bit better in it, and at the end we'll decide which one we like better. This one is done in soft suede. All right, so we are going to run a piece of crumb cake through, and we do need to cut 2. And this is, I believe, 4 inches wide. So just cut a piece 4 inches. This is the best part of being a demonstrator. You get to pre-order everything, get to see everything before everybody else. You get your choice of what you want. It's just, I love it. All right, so we have 2 cut out. That's all we're gonna do for the Big Shot. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is stamp these, and we're gonna use the little coffee bean, the early espresso. And we're just gonna stamp our little coffee beans on here. I like to go off, so it is going to make a little bit of a mess on your grid paper, but that's what it's for. By the way, if you don't know, the grid paper is available to purchase. It is in our catalog. It's in our annual catalog. So we're going to do this one as well. The coffee beans are so cute. I did, not too long ago, I did a box with chocolate covered coffee beans, and this would be such a cute box for that. I got those at Walmart. They were chocolate covered espresso beans. All right, I'm going to use the dark crumb cake, and we are just going to color half of the beans just to give it character. You don't have to color the middle ones because we are going to cover those. But just go along and color in one side. Just do them alternately. You don't have to be super picky with this. Just go for it. It just makes them look a little bit more realistic when you just color like a couple of them I colored the full thing, not thinking, but you can color the full thing absolutely if you like to, but they're so cute. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is our box. So you do need a piece that is 4 by 7. So again, I'm using the crumb cake, and boy, I'm getting ink everywhere. I should have put another piece down there. I don't want to get it all over my cardstock here. So we're going to score this. We're going to score it on, ooh, I didn't cut it to 7. I have it at 11. So let's cut that really quickly. Thought I had that cut. So it's 4 by 7. All right, so we're going to score it on the 7-inch side. And we're going to score it at 1/2. One and a half. And at 3 3/4. And 4 3/4. Then you're going to turn it, and you are going to score it at 1 and 3. All right, so we have that all scored. So now let's cut this. You're going to cut down each side here. I'm going to do the same on this side. Now you know, if you followed me very long, that I love inside flaps. So we're going to create that on our top piece here. So we're going to cut down each one of these. And then what you're going to do is you are going to cut about a 1/2 inch or maybe a little bit more, just like that. So these are going to be our inside flaps. So we're going to cut in on these. I like it so much better when the box lid does not fall inside the box. It's one of my things is to put flaps all the time on the inside if I possibly can. It's very rare that I don't. You can even stamp the sides of this if you want to have it cohesive with the little coffee beans. You can stamp the sides. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it plain. But you can do that. All right, so now you are going to put adhesive on these 2 bottom pieces right here. I'm going to use our new Stamp and Seal Plus. So far, this has really been working good for me for the boxes to stay closed. They've been staying sealed. I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, and they're all still sealed. So that is a good reference. So that is our little box. Now what we're going to do is we're going to layer this right at the edge right here. But first thing you want to do is we're going to punch some little holes for our ribbon. So I'm going to just punch You're going to punch them pretty close to the top here. And I'm using this little point right here to where I'm putting it. So they're both the same on both sides. And you're going to put it maybe 1/8 of an inch below, just so you have enough room. Again, I'm going to use the Stampin' Seal Plus, and we're going to put some on here. Whoop. Grabbed my paper. That's how strong this is. It has done that before to me. It's grabbed my paper. It's super strong. All right, so make sure the hole is at the top. And then we're going to just set this down. And you're going to put it right where these little curves are right here. All right, you're going to do the same on this side. Let me use the... It wants to take my box with it. And then we're going to do this one the same. Set it right down. And then there is your little box. And then this top part just opens for your treat. All right, so now let's decorate it. To decorate it, we're going to stamp our coffee mug. And the pieces that we're layering with, we are using some Real Red. And the Real Red is 1 inch by 3. Then we're going to use a piece. This is actually a piece of Designer Series paper from my Playful Pets Designer Series. It's this one right here, and it's the back side of where the dogs are. So I just cut a 1/2 inch by 3 of that one. And then for our sentiment, this is Whisper White, and it is 1/2 by 3 as well. And then I think that's everything. So let's go ahead and stamp our mug. We're going to use the Memento Black because we are going to use our crumb cake blends to color this. Isn't that the cutest mug? I love it. So I'm going to just use some of the light crumb cake, and we're going to color inside here. I am going to shade this a little bit, and then we're going to do the bottom. And this is the only area that we're going to color on this. All right, then I'm going to use the dark. And to do the dark, I'm using the brush tip, and I really just like to kind of flick it and then just drag it and do the same on this side. And then we're going to go back with the light and the brush tip, and we're going to just blend that. That's what I love about these blends. They blend so perfect. So that is what our cup's going to look like. I'm going to use some Real Red, and we are going to stamp the heart in the center. Got that off of here, but it's still cute. And then I'm going to fussy cut it. Okay, so there's our little mug. It's so cute. I love it. And now we are going to flag the ends of each one of these. And I forgot to stamp the sentiment. So we're going to go ahead and stamp the sentiment since I already forgot about that. We're going to use the Memento Black again. And we are going to... Isn't that cute? I love the writing. It's just adorable on that. So there's our sentiment. All right, let's go ahead and put these on. I'm going to use our regular stamp and seal for this because you don't need the heavy duty one. So we're going to put that one there. And then we're going to put the sentiment in the center. And then we're going to pop up the cup with some dimensionals here. Need one more. And then we'll put the mug right there. And I'm going to use my Real Red, and it is the double stitched on here. And then we're going to run our ribbon through the top. Those little holes that we created, you're going to run your ribbon through. Make sure you have plenty for your bow. This is really slippery ribbon, but it's really pretty. I love the Stampin' Up! Ribbon. All right, and then we're going to use our ribbon scissors, and we're going to cut some little tails. All right, so there you have it. Here's the other one. Which one do you like better? The crumb cake or the soft suede? I think they're both super cute. I love this stamp set. It's really cute. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. And if you need any supplies, you can shop at my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. And of course, the products for this will not be available till August 4th, but put it on your wish list because it's super, super cute. I hope you have a great one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.